Okay, sikat. Time for the first round. Medyo agresibo. Red corner. Blue corner. Conservat sepak. Okay. Good exchange. Okay. Ini berbangsa wangi berkubik. Wah. Good pass from red corner. Red corner on the ring. 10 seconds. Blue corner pinning the red corner on the ring. Wow. Good exchange. Time for the first round. Seconds out. Time.
Padiyan!
Same spot. Blue corner. Pinning the red corner on the ring. Red corner. Oh, red corner. Balas sa red corner. Good body shot from the blue corner. Gently pop. Ayo. Gawas kan? 10 seconds. Time for the second round. Ayaw na mo deliver ng mga mata. May na mo deliver o may na mula kay kinumo. San Antonio versus Lingating. Luna Big Boy San Antonio, Picabalo Adrian from Lingating. 10 seconds out. Lingating versus San Antonio. Mau na.
Yang papa.
Baik. Wah, gol Vanessa from blue corner. Time for the last round.
Buian lagi teman mo. Ada
round of boxing. We go to the scorecard. Judge number 1 score 28-29. Judge number 2 27-30. Judge number 3 27-30. A winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner.
Mo na yung lagi na ngayang ipadaog. Paras nga bata.
Okay. So shifting of our third man on the ring. Box from the goal. Back tayo. Back from the goal, back tayo will be replacing Coach Michael Pinata. Now our third man on the ring is Coach Hondago Bactayo. From the red corner, and from the ating Baungon Bukidnon, 32 kilograms, Red Scaropo. And in the blue corner, from San Antonio, Talakak, Bukidnon, Luna Janpo. Okay, boxers. Boxers ready?
Si Dongdong, murag ta ka diri. Dongdong, murag ta ka diri.
So, third man on the ring, backline, giving instruction. Okay, 10 seconds out. Time. Oh, good shot from the blue corner. Counter na itong red corner. Natin versus San Antonio. Mayang magsiri. Mangal ka. Versus San Antonio eh. No? Seconds. Ayaw lang. Lindot kayo. Time seconds. Oh, good. Overrun right by the blue corner, counter by red corner. Oh, good. Back by blue corner, counter. Panipan. Ten seconds. Oh.
Gi!
Good pass from the blue corner time for the second.
Dugay pa ka dyan, boy.
Ten seconds out. And for the second round.
Gi! Banati!
Atay ka nga.
Good fight. Good lipat right. Ten seconds. Time.
Palit.
Right.
Dari lang. Masira man siya. Hindi pa ulit, day.
Aman.
Thank you.
Murag.
Inaano puliso? Inaano ba puliso? Ayok.
Ay, dilik mo siguro. Murag kalima. Ikalima mo siguro. Ay, murag ikalima si Tikoy.
After 3 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecard. Judge number 1, 28-29. Judge number 2, 27-30. Judge number 3, 28-29. A winner by unanimous decision. Blue corner. Yan, Gilbert Putas. Okay, sa atong Barangay Council, daghang salamat. Ini atong boxing karon, sponsor by the Barangay 5, Barangay Council. Atong sa atong ika-31 na araw ng Barangay 5. Barangay 5 Council, salamat pinanguluhan ni Barangay Chairperson Samira Ruilla. Okay. Mira mga boxers. Salamat po sa atong salamat sa atong mga book.
Piligat mo sa rin. Malas yung si Maricinoy. Singgitaan mo ng kontra.
Tembak. Table time out.
Yan. Kung di ka live feed today, oh.
Boxers ready, 10 seconds out.
Wala mo na yung mata na. Wow.
Taas si Tikoy, parang kontra. Kuan.
Luman din ako.
Naglawas.
Wala ko.
So, may kabalo. Rosel versus Puntas San Gilbert. Ingate versus San Isidro.
Hello. First timer, ah.
May
Knockdown.
kabalo Rosel from Ingate versus
Koy! Barati, Koy!
Puntas San Isidro.
Asli kay kamot. Gi! Ay. Sige. Luya naman, Luya. Gi! Barati!
Wow! Good shot from the red corner.
Sige! Gi! Ay.
Good body goal. Hi.
Murag karagaw, oy. Taas kay kamot, murag karagaw. Ayaw kay taas kamot. First timer ha, pero ka-knockdown man. First time.
Okay. Ready, ginawa na yung Halloween jump sa red corner, 55 ng Vincent, blue corner. Ready, kamunsunod.
Lugay pa.
May kabalo Rosel, hindi nga itong fight ka lang. May kabalo Rosel from Lingate. John Gilbert, Puntas, San Isidro. 10 seconds out.
Dong!
Okay. Boxer receiver.
Ano ko siya mo
Good punch.
Gi! Gikoy! Gi! Sige!
Blue corner, video ng
Di mo palukong sticker eh.
counter by the red corner. Ah!
Gi! Okay, good luck ni Mary Jane yang manghod. Ito rin sa... Wala bitaw.
Maganahan ang batang.
Tikoy. Gikoy! Nagtawaan ko po. Silingan ko. Para na taro ko video. Good Tikoy.
Ibanda mo sa kami.
10 seconds out.
Coach. Ha.
The first final round. Good punch.
Gi, berarti koy. Itlog big. Uban nung si Mary Jane lang muna. Gi! Si Koy! Sige! Gi, japi Koy! Sige!
Oh! Slip. No knockdown. This is slip. 10 seconds.
Ay, wala mo itong knockdown kay...
Go next 6. Between boxers. Time for the match.
mo ko ng kon kay
Eh, ready,
numero kay
Alvin
naman.
Jan at Pipan Jan.
Dili ko nilingating.
Get ready, Ginumay, Alvin Jan at Pipan Jan Vincent. Come on, sunod. Okay. Ayaw exercise. After 3 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecard. Judge 1 scored 30-27. Judge 2 scored 30-27. Judge 3 scored 28-29. A winner by split decision. From the